Stop scoring. These Thai dessert shops are actually worth it. We're on Shaoqingxiao Road, a place you have to check out. Let's check into it.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Eat with Api. Now I'm looking for a drink shop named Panit Pak Dang. It's really famous in here. No matter foreigners or Thai people, they're obsessed with her. But by the way, the name of the shop is mean, the lady with red lips. So, it's given spicy name. So first of all, let me show you the menu. All Thai style coffee, everything is 40 baht. This is so cool. You can sit here. It doesn't seem busy because people, they just like leave their order and then they just go somewhere else and then they're coming back. Thai tea?
Thai milk tea one.
Cold? Ice? Gosh, that's the sugar. Wow, smells so nice, guys. Okay. Whoa.
ชาไทยสอง
Here. Oh my gosh, look, such a huge size. This for 40 baht. I want to show you how big is it. This is the size. Whoa, very cool. The smell is really nice. I don't know how to say. The aroma of the Thai tea is really strong and it's not too sweet. I saw that she had put like, I don't know, 3 spoons of the sugar and a sweet milk on top. It's perfect. You must try this one and it's really cheap and very good quality. This one I give 10 out of 10. I love Thai tea. I'm a Thai tea lover. But one thing, if you're doing Thai tea, your teeth are going to be yellow because of the color of it. It's orange, but yeah, just be careful. Did you know that if you come to Thailand, you must try a mango sticky rice because it's really famous in here. So let's go check out this place. The town around here is really vintage. We are here. Is this place, guys? Sticky rice?
Which mango, right?
Yeah, this one.
Make it one.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to eat here or to take away there?
Take away, please.
150.
Okay. Excuse me.
Wait a minute.
Thank you. Okay, so here they gave me a little coupon. So if you didn't want to standing and wait here, you can just go opposite over there, and you can eat there also. Thank you. Whoa. So I'm not gonna try the mango yet, but I'm gonna take you to a traditional Thai style ice cream. So let's see how it's different from regular ice cream. This place is really quiet. I need to whisper. I'm kidding. Well, we're here, guys. They have coconut, fresh milk, coffee, chocolate, Thai tea, coconut water, mango, strawberry, black season, matcha, hoji, sha. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna try a coconut and mango. Coconut, please.
Okay.
And mango?
Okay, one coconut and one mango.
Yeah.
Okay, please.
And can I put some?
Yes.
Okay. How much are they? Each one?
5 baht.
5 baht per each. This one, please. Oh no.
From seed?
Yes.
Okay.
And yeah, sticky rice.
Sticky rice and from seed.
And of course, we in Thailand. We love this chair so much. plastic chair. Actually, you can order by write it down, but I didn't do it because I didn't see it. I really do love the streets here because it's really local. Oh, thank you. So nice. I ordered for a coconut ice cream and mango and with sticky rice. And I just realized that I had a mango sticky rice. But I ordered the same thing. Anyway, I don't care. Honestly, you can add more. You can add some beans or something like Thai style, but I don't like them that much. So I ordered this one. Ooh, the sticky rice is quite soft though. It's really soft. I'm gonna eat with a mango ice cream. I don't know, but I feel like the mango that it makes ice cream is from the real mango. I don't know. So let me try again. Let's go with a coconut. I didn't smell nothing. But personally, I think the difference between a regular ice cream and Thai ice cream is that we're using the real fruit to make an ice cream. We try again with a sticky rice and with this jelly. Very good together with an ice cream and sticky rice. You must try it. One more. For the mango, I give 9 or 10. Coconut, I give 8.5. I'll come back next time for sure. It's still warm though. Smells so good. They give you sweet mango, and this one is a seed or nut, not sure, and the sticky rice. So juicy though, but not too much. And they smell really good. Like, I haven't eaten yet, but I can smell whatever they mix together in the rice. And of course, we need to put this on the rice. And you know what, Thai people, we're still like discuss about where should we put this coconut milk, on the rice or on the mango better. But personally, I love to put on a mango. Ouch. Yeah, smell nice. Smell coconut milk. I'm sure we can see it. Okay, that's how we eat it. Whoa. The mango is very soft and it's not too sweet. It's a little bit sour. It's really good together with a sticky rice. I love it. Try again. The rice is super soft. I can't stop it. This mango is really good, like it's given a pudding. So I'm giving 10 out of 10 Very good. Recommend it. So I saw a machines to making ice cream. I was trying to ask them how they use it to make an ice cream.
Fresh ingredients go into metal can. Is placed in a wooden barrel with ice and salt. Then hand churned until creamy. No machines, just old school Thai ice cream.
Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I am very appreciated you watched my video until the end. And please don't forget to leave me in the comments if you have any advices for me. And if you have any cool places that you want me to visit and try the food, please let me know. I see you in the next video.